In India, women and girls constitute 48% of the population, but most of them often lack education, access to skill building, and employment opportunities. Research by IMF predicts a 27% increase in India's GDP if women participation in the workforce increases to the same extent as men. Saksham, an initiative of Plan India, focuses on imparting employability skills to young girls and boys above 18 years. This project is supported by Bank of America and implemented by Plan India, APSA, and CAP Foundation for young girls and women in the age range of 18 to 29 from marginalized communities of Hyderabad and Delhi.
చాలా ఇక చదివేందుకు మనకని ఇంట్లోనే ఖాళీగా ఉండే పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. స్కిల్స్ లేకపోవడం మెయిన్గా ఆ స్లమ్స్కి వెళ్తాము. ఆ స్లమ్స్లో వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఆ లీడర్స్ తోటి ఉమెన్స్తో పరిచయం పెంచుకొని డోర్ టు డోర్ వెళ్ళి పిల్లల్ని మోటివేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది.
Eligible young girls and women are inducted into skilling centers and are given job-oriented vocational trainings on basics of IT, communication skills, soft skills, hospitality, and retail marketing skills.
I'm mother of 2 kids. I have faced so many problems. I was dealing with my personal issues. I used to feel so bad to ask money from my parents, even for small things like getting snacks for my kids. I was so hopeless of the future till I found Saksham.
Basically, after completing the training, so before sending to the interview, we conduct group discussions and also the mock interviews. So after completing the training, we usually conduct the job drives and also job melas. So we bring corporate sectors under one tree, so that will be very easy for a student to get a job opportunity.
Meenakshi secured 93% in her intermediate, but her father's health condition and mounting financial struggles forced her to stop pursuing higher education and find a job.
I learned how to overcome stage fear and how to attend interview. So I joined as a telemarketing executive in IIFL, and in that company they gave one target. So each TME should do 8 lakhs business in 4 months, but I able to do 8 lakhs business in one month. So for that purpose, I selected as a top 3 in Hyderabad and top 8 in Pan India. So I got an award in Moscow. That was a memorable achievement for me.
My father is an auto driver and my mother is ASHA worker. They face many problems to run our family. So I have decided not to be burden to them anymore. Then I came to know about Saksham, decided to give it a try.
We have a team coming here from Bank of America. We are giving them like many mock interviews. So direct interaction will be more, and if they're doing some mistakes, minor mistakes also, we help them in correcting those things, and that will be helping them in grooming their career.
జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మా అమ్మాయిలో చాలా మార్పు వచ్చింది. ఇంతకుముందు కొంచెం ఇదిగా ఉండేది, డబ్బు లేక కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది పడేవాళ్ళము. జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత హ్యాపీగా ఏది కావాలన్నా కూడా తెచ్చుకొని బాగా ఆనందంగా ఉన్నాము అన్నమాట.
My parents were so happy for my wonderful achievement. Now I am able to support myself and my family.
Now I am working for Eureka Foods. Not only I am able to stand on my own feet and earn money, I am able to support my family too. I plan to pursue my higher education and achieve lot more things in life.
Since the inception of this project, with support of Bank of America in 2017, we have trained around 1,969 girls as on December 2019, out of which 1,413 are successfully placed into various jobs.
And we are getting very positive response in the communities, and community is participating along with our old girls, old batch. They become volunteers to this program in bringing other girls. So that way we feel the Saksham is very successful and progressing very positively.
Anu plans to fund her higher education through savings from her own salary. Kalpana's stable job at Bank of America is now helping her to send her kids to a better school. Meenakshi's exemplary performance has earned her an official trip to Russia, and she's the first person in her family to fly.
Saksham to me is opportunity.
For me, Saksham is self-confidence.
Saksham to me is hope.